Welcome back, gardening family. So it is extremely cold out here today. It is, and I apologize if it's windy. I see stuff blowing, so if it's windy, I'm so sorry. But today I am just going to be cleaning up stuff, so I really won't be talking like to the video, but I will do like a voiceover. Of course, I'm just about to clean stuff up, move stuff around, and I did buy some stuff. I know I'm supposed to stay out of the stores, but I picked up some things, so let me show you what I picked up. All right, so from Dollar Tree, I picked up 3 more of these stackable vertical planters. I picked these up, so I got 3 more of these. Then I also picked up some more seeds, but this time I picked up flowers. So I've been reading some and watching videos, and I heard that marigold, or seen that marigold flowers like get rid of a lot of things, not get rid of things, but deter a lot of things from your plants. So I picked up 2 different marigolds from Dollar Tree. These were 25 cents each. And then I picked up some cosmos. I just thought these were pretty. And the last thing I picked up was some more radishes, but this is a different pack. I think this is a different pack. I hope I ain't bought the exact same pack that I already got, but I feel like this is a different pack. So this is like a variety pack. And oh, I'm gonna have to show you guys how my radishes are doing. I won't lie, I wasn't expecting them to grow. I wasn't expecting them to grow. But they are coming out of the raised bed, so I'm most definitely going to show you guys what they're looking like. I picked up a lot of plants from Walmart, so I got just some marigolds right here. So I'm gonna plant these, or up pot these today. That's my plan. I got some viola. I thought these were so pretty. And it's like 2 in here, so I was like, yay. I got 2 of these. Oh, I'm so sorry if it's so windy, if it's windy and it's picking up. The next thing I picked up was petunia, and I am planning on putting these all into one big pot, I guess you could say. Probably, well, not all of them, but well, I guess I can put them in this. Ooh, yuck, a bug. I plan on putting them all into this. I don't know, we'll see. I picked up some of these strawberries, so I got some of these. I need to read up on these because I know that it's not time to plant these. I saw someone plant these. I think she had ordered hers from online though, and I saw these in Walmart, and you got 10 roots for $3.24. So I was like, well, let me try. It was better than buying the actual plant that I always kill, or that I killed when I tried to garden before and got discouraged so fast. These, I done broke some of them, but then these are Pansy. I bought some of these, so cute. Like I said, I want to put them all, like all of these purple ones, and then these ones as well, into one big pot. Oh, the wind, why must you be against me? And then I got another type of viola, I guess. I don't know if I bought the exact same thing or not, but this says viola as well. Oh, this is an annual. I don't know what the other ones were, but yeah. The last thing I picked up were some of these containers. I want to put like my gloves and stuff in them. And then I also want to put my gardening tools inside of these. So that's all that I picked up today. So let me get some gloves on and start doing what I need to do. I lied, I forgot I picked up some vermiculite. Finally found some. It was only literally 2 bags left, and I was like, oh, let me hurry up and get this. So I got some vermiculite, and I also got some more Miracle-Gro potting soil. Not knowing the name of it. And it's a big bag, so you guys know what I'm talking about. The yellow bag is what I picked up, a really big one. So I'm about to start moving stuff around and get this looking a little better. When I first started gardening, I must admit that I was stressing myself out, and now I am at a point where it doesn't stress me out. I am just going to go with the flow. If things grow, they grow. If they do not grow, they just don't grow. I am going to go ahead and start again. So I am again using this year as my learning year, trying to figure everything out. If you guys don't know, I don't get a lot of sun on my back patio, but I'm going to work with what I got and see what I can harvest when it's time. I forgot to mention that I also picked this up. I don't know if I'm all that crazy about it. This is not what I was thinking that this did. So I don't like it. I think I may have I thought it was more so going to be like spray instead of squirt. Maybe I'm using it the wrong way. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I also picked up one of these. It's already filled with water. I wanted it to become the temperature of outside, so I could spray some things with water a little later. Growing up, I had an uncle who had a lot of indoor plants, and he always told me that, hey, when you water your plants, you want to make sure the water is the same temperature of whatever environment that your plants are in. So I do remember that. I'm not sure if that applies to outdoor plants, but I always let my water sit for a couple of hours before I water it. Probably doesn't matter, but it makes me feel a whole lot better. But here I am about to upplant these marigolds, and you guys, these marigolds are actually doing well. I just knew I was going to kill these things. I just knew I was going to send them to the upper room, just like any other transplant that I have purchased. But the flowers are doing well. They are thriving. Now when it comes to vegetables, I just can't. I try to upplant them and they just die. They just die on me. They just don't like me or something like that. I don't know what happens, but they're no longer with us, put it like that. I thought just putting all purple all around this would be very beautiful, and then like the white one in the middle. I didn't buy enough plants, so the next pot that I do isn't going to have that many in there, and it's not going to look as pretty. Well, it still looks pretty. It just isn't even, put it like that. It isn't even all the way around like I would have wanted it. So you guys see I have like 2 lighter purples, or maybe 3 lighter purples and 1 dark purple, I think. I can't tell in the video right now, but it looks good, being that they all are growing right now. It still looks good, and I am excited about it. I wanted to show you guys my radishes. Look at this. Look at them grow. I'm so excited. Now, am I going to get a harvest? I don't know. I honestly do not know, but we shall see. So right now I got, let's count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I don't know how many I planted, I won't lie. But 14 of them are growing. And here's how the lettuce is growing. This other lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, and my romaine lettuce. These ones are struggling. Oh, I forgot about my spinach because it's so small. I'm about to just give up on this spinach because look at it. Look at it. It's so sad. So sad. And this lettuce keeps turning yellow. Don't know what's going on with that, but you know, whatever. And I'm assuming that these take like months to grow because yeah. They're doing nothing. But let me show you guys my potatoes. So this one is getting extremely tall and nothing else is growing. So I am going to put another layer of soil on here, and nothing's growing in the other one either. So I'm gonna put another layer of soil on this one too, and just plant more potatoes. This way I have more odds of getting some potatoes instead of just these. I think it's just 3 plants growing. Yeah, 3. I don't know what they're called. Oh wait, no, it's 4. There's a little one right here. So instead of just those 4, I want to make my odds a little better. So I'm going to just put layers of potatoes. Here's what I just planted. So this is looking okay, I guess. And I'm going to water these a little later. What else did I need to show you guys? I'll show you guys my other plants in a little bit. But for now, I'm about to go ahead and put some more soil in here and more potatoes as well. The one thing that I am most excited about in my garden when I'm hoping it's time to harvest it will be my potatoes, you guys. I absolutely love potatoes, and I am hoping that mine tastes way better than the store-bought and that I could just continue to grow my own potatoes, you guys. I absolutely love potatoes. Like, I'm a potato head. I'm Mrs. Potato Head. But anyways, you guys, my purple ones that you're going to see me put in here, are the leaves supposed to be purple for the purple potatoes? They started to sprout, and I was like, interesting, these leaves are purple. I will try to remember to show you guys in maybe the next video or the one after that. I don't know if I will remember, but I was not sure, are the leaves actually supposed to be purple? I thought it was cool. I was just like, if it's supposed to be like that, awesome. But they sprouted pretty quickly. I bought the purple potatoes from my garden nursery, my local garden nursery, and I am super excited, you guys. I don't think I've ever eaten a purple potato. Maybe I have, and I just can't remember. I'm getting ready to close everything up and go in the house because it is freezing. But I wanted to show you guys what my one collard is looking like, and my dino kale, so sad. And then all of these, this up to here, are going to be black magic kale, and my cucumbers are still doing fine to me, I guess. I mean, there's one literally just now coming out, and I planted these back on February 10th. That is so funny. Looks like one is dying. I put the cinnamon like everyone told me to. Well, a lot of people told me to. Let me get this one out. You guys see that? Looks like root rot. You see right there, it was thinning out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that one out, and I'll probably upplant the cucumbers and also my peppers up here. The peppers I planted on February 13th, so we'll see what happens with those. These are gonna be my what are these? Herbs, Lord. I might just go ahead and set this stuff out in the sun. It's like 50, probably like 53 degrees right now, but if you guys see, I'm in the shaded area and there's a little sun left, so I might go ahead and take them and set them out there just so they can get some sun along with this vertical container. But let me show you guys everything else. You guys already saw what's in this raised bed, but you saw me upplant all of these, so these are looking fine to me, I guess. I don't know. Also, you guys saw me put the straw on top of this. I also watered both of these containers, and yeah, that's what everything is looking like. It is going to get down to the 30s tonight, so I am going to use this plastic like I did last time to cover these up, just to make sure that they stay okay. I don't want them to die off, even though that I'm already killing them, it looks like. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and cover them up. Like I said, it seems like I can do better from growing from seed. So these are not from seed. These I bought already from the farmers, not the farmers market, the farmers exchange. And these I planted as seeds. So it seems like, I mean, even though I haven't done like a harvest or anything yet, because it's way too early, I still get better. I don't kill stuff off versus when I have something like this and I kill it off. Like my leaves are turning yellow. Don't know why they're turning yellow. If someone can tell me, let me know in the comments down below what I can do to stop them from turning yellow, because they're looking kind of sad, very sad. But yeah, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next gardening video. Bye.